We just give you a little so your bus job. Guy, he's got the big loader here. He's got. He's turning the truck around. Turn the truck around. Just tap it in. Well, you got it! You got the ground! You're good! Can you tip it more? Make it lower, make your bucket lower! There's no brakes, so... You guys didn't have this? You guys didn't... How do you get...
Lift that, now I know. That looked pretty cool, didn't it?
Over there, let's stand still. You guys lost some power.
That's pretty cool.
Trailer. Hey, brake! Yeah. I'm in the truck because you can't hear me. I'm brake.
Oh, for sure.
So it did lift it.
Easily, too. 6,000-7,000 pounds, eh?
Yeah. It's not, the loader, that loader never lift that one.
Too big, so we'll try this. Sinks there. This too time.
Hi there. I'm at another job.
Yep.
I had to backfill.
So I'm always around. Because I mean, we just got to do that quick backfill. I don't think.
My own channel. I got my own. It's called Southern Back.
Huh? Maybe.
So you know, no one's gonna get.
It sat there all winter,
Oh yeah.
but we've had a pretty mild.
This thing is broke down.
Yeah, they do that. To Murray's, because he's the guy that's got the Chevy tattoo.
Later.
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 You guys say.